Hello students, now we move towards the practical part of this chapter, and you have to learn it practically, because in your practical examination such query will be asked, whereas in your theory exam if you practice you are able to write the answer. First part of this unit is function, and especially mathematical function, which are very easy if you know the simple mathematics of earlier classes, class 10 and earlier. You are able to use these functions. The use of these function over calculator and here is differ. Here we can use functions for multiple values. Suppose we are using mathematical power function because it is in our syllabus, that's why it is included here. Student, you are very well known about the power function. You use it in mathematics. Suppose you want to find out the power of 2 to the power 3, then you write select. Select is the statement used to display the result. Select POW of 2, 3. Select POW. POW is the name of the function. You can write complete POWER, power, or POW. First argument is the value and second argument is the power. So 2 to the power 3, here its meaning, and it will return 8. Student, we can find out the power is values result on real value also. Here we are passing first value is real value 2.37 and second value is also 3.45. So we can find out the result of real value also, and it will return the real values result. Okay, we practice it here in MySQL. Here I am making changes here. I don't want to display the result of this table. I remove this one. Now I write POW of 2, 3, then semicolon. I execute this. Student, you are finding the result 8. Now I make change here. I write here 3.5. It means 2 to the power 3.5. It should display differ result. Okay student, you are seeing the result is changed. It is not 8, now it is 11.31. so result is now 11.31 based on the second argument. And we can change the first argument also. Here I am mentioning 2.5, so its meaning is value of 2.5 power to 3.5. okay, I execute. Okay student, you are seeing that the result is changed. Now its result is 24.70. It means 2.5 to be multiplied itself in 3.5 times. Okay, you can do it mathematically in your notebook and check that the result is correct or not. Okay, most probably it will be correct. There is rare chance, and if you find minor changes, that will be due to rounding of values or due to the truncation of values. So don't worry about those, that your result is given here. Now the syllabus says the database query using SQL, and we are using SQL here, but power function is not applied over database, so I use it over the database. What I do, I want to find out the power of ID and it's for 2 times its power 2, then I will have to mention the table name, that is test, okay, and semicolon, okay. Students, my query is changed and being used for the database purpose, database query using SQL. Now it is, I want to find out the power of ID to the 2. It means it should display 2 result for first row and second row's ID. I execute the statement. Student, in first row we are having value 1 as ID and 1 to the power 2. It means 1 multiply 1. Now it is 1 only, that's why its first result is 1. And next 2 to the power 2, it means 2 multiply 2, as a result is 4. Okay, so generally we do not perform mathematical operation over ID. We generally perform mathematical operation over such values where such operations are required, but for the practice purpose I am using here ID. Now I make one change here, 2.3. It should display different result. Okay student, multiplication of 1 so many times it will always return 1 multiply 1 multiply, okay. But if we are having another value 2 and like that, it will display value in real form. Okay students, now we see next function, that is a round function. Students, I will share this material to you. I will teach it not next time, because we have already gone through this function in class 11. You should practice these functions at your level, and then after it, when I teach it online, you will learn these functions easily. Thank you.